Umintri rangba kajala ukonrat ke sangma haga khatsau trik yayong. Ulapan bena baka sorkar jala kala rai ban sedang no ya projek wat benia katan rai jong kajat bin riu khasi jaintia bat ki garu. Ni labu e ki artli ki komiti kata ka wei ka ban penda jingmet thik tang ya kajat bin riu khasi bat jaintia bat ka wei ka komiti ka ban khmi ya kajat bin riu garu ong ukonran. Hadin balapan long ya bontli ki jingalang Hatara Ghar State Guest House. Kani ka project wat benya kan kintup ya ka DNA mapping ni ka jingwat benya lingba ki genes ka ktien ka thliet bat ka jinga dei hakariti dustur bat ka jinga trelang bat ki nongwat benya bakin bu jingtho e ki benta ba pher jong ki ni ki jat bin rio. Ngile ya kane namar ngikwa ban yo i shu ya ki jingtho ba khambun shaphang ki jat bin rio ki jingwat benya ba khambun bat ki jing shisha ki bangila ban yo ong ukonran. Kani ka project lakmi lenti bakan shimpor hapadeng khat pra hado arpusaw benai ban pendam dak ba penmi ru ya ka kai pot man kapor kat ba ka jing wat benya kadang yai. Ngin saplat ya kani ka program wat benya hau benai jemang ong ukonran haba benrap baka jingwat benya ka baningkong keladap ban sedang bat ka kinhun kala tre ya kani ka project nadu benai rempang baladam. Kani ka jingwat benya kan kintup ru ya ki jinga selok bat ki jaka puli hakari bat shabari ban penlong ya ki jing bishar benya halwar ka tenra jong ki jat min riu lom ka jela.
As you're aware that we have put up 2 committees specifically to look into the Khasi Jaintia and one committee to look into the roots of the Garo tribe. So therefore, one committee that look into the roots of the Khasi and Jaintia, the tribes, and one that look into the roots of the Garo tribe, and do a detailed research, including DNA mapping, including different linguistic linkages, cultural linkages, and connect with different researchers to document different aspects of both the Khasi Jaintia tribes and the background and also for the Garo community. And we're doing this because, as I said, we would like to see that more documentation, more research and more facts are available so that all these documentations which had not been done in the past can be done. So this was again discussed today. We'll be formally launching this particular research program in the month of May. But we did the preliminary study. In fact, the team has started working from February itself, and we will further take this research, which would in fact entail discussions with different institutes at national level, even at international level, and go into the in-depth analysis of the roots of our different tribes in the state. It will be anything between 18 months to 24 months because it's a very detailed study. But obviously, as we go along, the reports will keep coming out.